Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about the latest trends and innovations in technology. In today's video, I'm going to discuss iRobot, the company behind the famous Roomba vacuum cleaner, and its relationship with Amazon, the e-commerce giant. How did iRobot start? What makes Roomba so special? And why did Amazon try to acquire iRobot only to abandon the deal later? Let's find out. iRobot is a company that designs and manufactures robots for various purposes, such as home cleaning, military, and education. It was founded in 1990 by 3 MIT graduates who wanted to create practical and intelligent robots that could improve people's lives. Some of their notable products include the PackBot, a bomb disposal robot used by the US military, the Brava, a robot that mops floors, and the Terra, a robot that mows lawns. iRobot's mission is to empower people to do more at home with the help of robots. Roomba is iRobot's most popular and successful product. It is a robotic vacuum cleaner that uses sensors and algorithms to clean floors without human intervention. It was launched in 2002, and since then it has sold over 30 million units worldwide. Roomba has many features and benefits that make it a smart and convenient device, such as the smart mapping, which allows it to learn the layout of your home and optimize its cleaning path, the automatic dirt disposal, which enables it to empty its bin into a base station, and the voice control, which lets you control it with your voice using Alexa or Google Assistant. Roomba is designed to provide a high-quality and personalized cleaning experience for every customer. iRobot and Amazon have a long and complex relationship. They have been partners since 2005 when iRobot started selling its robots on Amazon.com. Amazon has been one of iRobot's biggest and most loyal customers, accounting for about 40% of its sales in 2021. Amazon has also been one of iRobot's biggest supporters, promoting its products on its website, offering discounts and deals, and featuring them on its Prime Day and Black Friday events. iRobot and Amazon have also collaborated on some projects, such as the Alexa integration for Roomba and the Scout, a delivery robot that uses iRobot's technology. However, iRobot and Amazon have also been competitors, as Amazon has been developing its own robotic products, such as the Echo, a smart speaker that uses Alexa, the Ring, a smart doorbell that uses a camera, and the Astro, a home robot that uses a screen. Amazon has also been acquiring other robotics companies, such as Kiva Systems, a warehouse robot maker, and Zoox, a self-driving car startup. Amazon has been interested in iRobot's patents and data, which could give it an edge in the robotics market. In August 2022, Amazon and iRobot announced that they had entered into a definitive merger agreement under which Amazon would acquire iRobot for $61 per share in an all-cash transaction valued at approximately $1.7 billion, including iRobot's net debt. The deal was expected to close by the end of 2022, subject to approval by iRobot's shareholders and regulators. The deal was seen as a win-win situation for both companies, as it would allow Amazon to invest in iRobot's innovation and lower its prices, and it would allow iRobot to access Amazon's resources and customer base. However, in January 2024, Amazon and iRobot announced that they had agreed to terminate their acquisition agreement due to regulatory hurdles in the European Union, which prevented them from moving forward with the deal. The EU's competition authorities had raised concerns that the deal would harm competition and innovation in the robotics sector, and that it would give Amazon too much power and data over consumers' homes. The EU had also imposed strict conditions and remedies for the deal to go through, such as divesting some of iRobot's assets and limiting Amazon's access to iRobot's data. Amazon and iRobot decided that these conditions were too costly and burdensome, and that they would be better off pursuing their own strategies independently. The termination of the deal was a disappointment for both companies, as they had hoped to create a stronger and more synergistic partnership that would benefit customers and the industry. However, it was also a relief for some of iRobot's fans and employees who had feared that Amazon would change iRobot's culture and vision, and that iRobot would lose its identity and autonomy. iRobot's CEO, Colin Angle, said that he was proud of iRobot's team and products, and that he was excited to continue building thoughtful robots and intelligent home innovations that make life better. Amazon's SVP and General Counsel, David Zapolsky, said that he was grateful to iRobot's team and products and that he was disappointed that customers would miss out on faster innovation and more competitive prices. So, what does the future hold for iRobot and Amazon? Will they remain partners or become rivals? Will they try to merge again or go their separate ways? And how will their decisions affect the robotics industry and the consumers? These are some of the questions that we will have to wait and see. But one thing is certain, iRobot and Amazon are two of the most influential and innovative companies in the world, and they will continue to shape the future of technology and society with their robots and services. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about iRobot, Amazon, and their partnership. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!